Hey y'all, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Let me show you what I got on the menu today, baby. Now Fefe's celebrating a birthday, baby, and I'm all about food. Yes, literally that much. Y'all, I did not know. Let me tell you, I did not know that I was sitting on the Mind Gold. If you go back and you look at the 2-minute video, you will see the Mind Gold that I'm talking about. See, in Texas, we can't get this kind of food, but up here in New York, and at these prices, really? What? Baby, only if you're a foodie, you know what I'm talking about. Here's some lemon. Here's some butter. Let me show you what I got. I got the house fried rice. I think this is a Cantonese, Chinese style. Can't tell you what it's in it. Oh, it's just goodness. They've been playing with us, y'all. Look what I got. Out of the water. This is what a prawn look like. I don't know what they've been selling us at the store. This is what a prawn look like. Look at that. I got 3 prawns, y'all. Fresh seafood. Fresh. I ain't supposed to be eating this late, but I don't care. It's got goodness in here. It's got onion, egg. Y'all, let's get into this. I ain't got nothing to crack nothing with. But you know what? I don't need nothing. We're gonna work this out. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at. Y'all, I don't even have to leave my. I don't really even have to leave my hotel room. All this stuff is on the back side of my hotel. For those of you who live in New York, why y'all playing? I got all this. I thought this was lobster, y'all. I said, some different kind of lobster. She said, "I know some prawns." He said that to the wrong little fat girl. Baby. They light too. Yo. And I got this in a garlic and scallion butter. Man. Y'all. Why y'all, New York, why y'all sleeping? Man. I only got chopsticks. Thought I was gonna be cute. No, I ain't never had nothing fresh. Not this fresh. So yes, it's that serious. And if you're a foodie, you don't understand. You don't understand. They still alive, y'all, when I pick them out. Y'all don't understand. See how God worked? I went downstairs, gave me some snacks. That's not what he had in mind for Fefe's first night. It's for Devin. That's not what he had in mind. Yeah. Okay, that's the first half. Only got 3 of them. Now, this ain't no inexpensive stuff. This meal right here was $58. $29.99 a pound. Plus, they charge you 30% cooking fee. But it says market price. But what Fefe wants, Fefe gets. That's what's up. Mm. Yeah, I ain't complaining. No. I ain't not complaining. This is hidden gem. I wonder why all them folks coming out the elevator. I see. Y'all. No. I think what's gonna get me in trouble is I have not budgeted for this. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. How many of you guys in New York? I know Mo Madden said. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. I know that's gonna take it up to a whole different level. You don't need no salt. Just this garlic, scallion. I think this is Cantonese style. So I have one prawn left. This was my real midnight snack. Yeah. Fefe's in heaven. I'll be coming back. See, we don't have stuff like this in the Midwest. And when you know there's stuff out there, I'm hell bent on getting it. Y'all. Cause I want what I want. Yeah. Tap. Yeah. I know I ain't saying much of nothing. But let me tell you something. I'm in heaven. I'm in pure D heaven. Y'all. Pure D heaven. Y'all don't hear me. Show a little bit with my rice, but not too much. You have to calm me back a little bit. You have to calm me back a little bit. Y'all. Okay. That's it. Fefe's birthday night snack. Let me know what you eat now. Until next time, don't forget to be blessed, stay blessed, and be a blessing to somebody else. And smile at somebody. You may just change the world. This piece is going in the trash because my life got upgraded. Man. Man. Alright, y'all. This was supposed to be a short video. Alright. Yeah. You girls, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Alright. Until next time, y'all. Bye.